Is it possible to make $2,000 per week without ever using ClickBank? Let me show you this real quick. Check this out right here. You can see I'm making over $8,500 per month using this method. And this is only one affiliate program out of the 30 plus income streams that I have. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3-step method on how to get started. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to start a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom out of a job. Guys, I was able to go from 0 to 6 figures within 6 months of starting my online business, but more importantly, I was able to leave my job within 9 months, and I left my electrical engineering job that I literally hated, guys. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I'm coming out with videos almost every single day to help you achieve financial freedom. Now, let me show you the 3-step process on how you can make money, guys, with this method, with affiliate marketing, but more importantly, how you can make monthly reoccurring revenue and without using ClickBank. Now, guys, why did I make a video about how to make money without using ClickBank? Here's the thing, ClickBank is a little oversaturated. There's a ton of people talking about making money on ClickBank, ClickBank this, ClickBank that. And there's just a ton of competition, especially in the make money online niche. I'm not saying you can't make money on ClickBank. I believe you can make still thousands of dollars per month using ClickBank, but it's just a little bit more competitive now. And I want to show you a better method to make money without ever using ClickBank and a software that can actually help people. Now, guys, before I show you the 3-step method on how to make money without ClickBank, I want to show you the proof here. This is my ClickFunnels affiliate program dashboard. And as you can see here, over $8,500 in the last 30 days, okay? Now, this is cool because it's totally passive, all right? Most people that sign up for ClickFunnels, they tend to stay on for years and years and years, okay? It's basically a company that helps people automate their business, create courses, you know, stuff like that, okay? So it's really easy to promote because I obviously use it, so I can go ahead and promote it as well. So I'm gonna show you how to do that using ClickFunnels affiliate program. It's an amazing software, guys, but I just wanted to show you the proof here that I am doing over $2,000 a week passively with this program. Now, step 1 in this method of how to make money without ClickBank is we have to find an affiliate program that has monthly reoccurring revenue. Now, most likely it's gonna be a software tool, okay? Why do I love software tools, right? Unlike a course on ClickBank or, you know, something where you just get a one-time payment, a software, people sign up for it and they pay every single month, right? As long as they need it, they're gonna be paying for that software. For example, for me, I pay every single month for like a ton of softwares that I use in my online business, right? I need a funnel builder, I need autoresponder, I need tools to help me run my YouTube channel. Guys, I pay for these every single month because I need it as a business owner. Now, I love the ClickFunnels affiliate program because they give you 40% commissions when people sign up, okay? So it's the software is between $100 and $300 and you get 40% when people sign up as a ClickFunnels user. Now, that's why I love picking an affiliate program that has monthly reoccurring revenue. That's key, guys, really, really important, okay? This is really how you build a passive income business. Yes, you can promote high ticket courses, high ticket programs, but most of those are not gonna be monthly reoccurring revenue, and that's why I love tools and softwares. Now, here's the cool thing about promoting a monthly reoccurring software or affiliate program, okay? Let's just say you get 10 people to buy ClickFunnels, all right? 10 people paying $100 a month, that's $1,000 a month you're generating. Now, of course, you're gonna get 40% commissions of that, so that's $400 a month passively, okay? But here's the cool thing, okay? You're gonna get that $400 every single month, okay? So yes, you're gonna get that sale one time, but it's not just one time. You're gonna get it every single month as long as they're paying their subscription, right? Now, this is where it gets fun, okay? This is where the snowball effect happens, and this is when I wanna help you guys grow your business, okay? Let's just say we get 10 people that first month, or even one person, right? Let's just say 10, okay? We get 10 people to sign up, that's $400 monthly recurring commissions. Month number 2, we get another 5 people, then we got 15 people. The next month, another 5, and let's just say we compound that just by 5 people, guys. By the end of it, you're gonna have 100, 200, 300 people signed up under you, right? This is where it gets fun because now you're compounding. Now you have 50 people, 100 people under you paying you monthly reoccurring commissions, okay? And you don't even have to do anything. All you're doing is getting people to that website, and ClickFunnels is doing all the hard work. They're doing the support messages, all you're doing is bridging the gap, showing people why they need this software. Now I'm going to show you how to do this in just a second. I just wanted to kind of explain why this is so powerful and why, you know, affiliate marketers are making so much money. You're literally leveraging the internet to make money. It's an incredible concept. I've never seen anything like this, guys. But let me show you how this works. Now, step number 2, guys, is we want to give something for free so we can make money with this program. Let me explain. So again, step number 1 is we found the ClickFunnels affiliate program. We want to partner with them. But step number 2 is we're giving something for free. Okay. Now, this is, I believe, one of the most important parts. Everyone's always trying to sell something, right? I always like to lead with value. So if I want to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program, I might give someone a free course or a free book, a free resource, teaching them how to use it. Now, this is really important because not only are you going to get someone to, you know, buy the software, more importantly, you're actually educating your customer how they can use the software, meaning they're going to stick a lot longer. That is step number 2, is giving them something for free. Now, guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a free course and a free book that you guys can give out as your own and use your own links to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program. I'll explain in just a bit. But step number 3, guys, is we need to get obviously customers or people to that product, okay? Now, this is where people get stuck, all right? Now, there's a ton of ways you can promote. My recommendation is to create content on YouTube, whether you show your face or you don't show your face. It doesn't really matter, okay? You can still make money either way. Now, a faster way to make money with this is going on TikTok or going to Instagram and start posting there. Instagram Shorts, YouTube Shorts. Those are faster ways to make money. Now, what kind of content do we create, right, with step number 3? Well, let's just say we're, you know, giving away a free course on how to use ClickFunnels, right? Well, you can go on YouTube and type in, you know, best ClickFunnels course for free. You can create a video about that and then tell people in the link down below, get my free course, all right? Same thing with TikTok, right? You can go on TikTok and say, hey, you know, I have a free course teaching people how you can use this software to help you automate your business, right? And then you direct them to the link where you give them a free course. Now, the goal here is giving them a free course, a free book, and with that free course or free book, you're gonna have your links to the ClickFunnels affiliate program, okay? And this is where you start making money. You're giving away free courses, free books, and within those free resources, this is where you have the links to the programs you're promoting. It's a brilliant way to do affiliate marketing, guys. You're literally giving away things for free in exchange, you know, for people to, you know, join your courses, get the free book or whatever resource it is, and naturally they're going to click on your links and buy the products that you're promoting. Now, guys, you can go and create these resources yourself. You can go create a course, you can create a book and promote them, but I've actually gone out and I've done the hard work for you. I know what it takes to, you know, get affiliate sales and get people to buy from my links. So what I've done is I've created a free book that I'm giving to you. Now, the cool thing about this book is it's a white label book, meaning you can use the exact same book, you can use my brand, use my authority, but I'm gonna let you switch out your links. I'm gonna let you switch out your ClickFunnels link, your get response link, all that good stuff, okay? There's literally over 12 types of affiliate programs within this book. All right. Now, to access this book, I'm gonna leave a link down below to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where more importantly, I'm gonna teach you the skills first, okay? I'm gonna teach you the skills on how to put this all together, and then at the end of it, I'm gonna give you the free book, okay? I'm gonna let you white label everything and do all that good stuff, all right? Now, if you're ready to just start making money with this method, I also have a free course as well, okay? It's a free course on how to use ClickFunnels, and within that course, you can actually promote ClickFunnels, okay? I'm giving you this course so you can literally use it as your own and put your ClickFunnels links, okay, guys? So literally, this is like ready to go. You can have this up and running by today. I'm gonna leave the free course down below, guys, and you guys can access that absolutely free. If you want the book, where you can go ahead and white label that as well, that's gonna be in my 3-day business breakthrough challenge. I'll link that in the first link down below in the YouTube description. So guys, I hope this video was of value on how to make money with affiliate marketing without using ClickBank, without having to partner with the ClickBank affiliate network. Not saying it's a bad program, but there's so much better ways to make money, guys. And that's why I wanted to create this video. So if you found any value, please like this video, comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Thank you so much, and God bless.